Hello guys, today I'm showing you full features, review and unboxing of realme 3 Android mobile. Operating system Android v9.0, Pi. SIM slots dual SIM, GSM plus GSM, dual VoLTE. Model 3. Launch date March 12, 2019, official. Custom UI color OS. Brand realme. SIM size SIM 1, Nano SIM 2, Nano. Network 4G, available, supports Indian bands, 3G, available, 2G, available. Fingerprint sensor yes. Internal memory 32 GB. Expandable memory yes up to 256 GB. USB OG support yes. Display type IPS LCD. Aspect ratio 19:9. Bezel-less display yes with notch. Screen to body ratio claimed by the brand 88.3%. Pixel density 271 pixels. Screen protection Corning Gorilla Glass V3. Screen to body ratio calculated 80.9%. Screen size 6.2 inches, 15.75 centimeters. Screen resolution 720 by 1520 pixels. Touch screen yes, capacitive touch screen, multi-touch. Battery capacity 4230 mAh. Settings exposure compensation, ISO control. Camera features 2x digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Image resolution 4128 by 3096 pixels. Autofocus yes, phase detection autofocus. Shooting modes, continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, HDR. Resolution 13MP front camera. Physical aperture, f2.0. Flash yes, LED flash. Video recording 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.